Hello everyone, my name is Daksh. Today I will give a explanation about my COM project. First of all, COM means kinematics of machine. It's kinematic. It is explaining about the machines and how the mechanism work and involved about links and joints and etc. Today I have created a Python program to find a degree of freedom from any types of links and joint are available and to help to find a degree of freedom. To find a degree of freedom, we must know about that must know about how many links and joints are available. If there are any higher and spring are available or not available, they are also know about that. Link is each part of a mechanism which moves a relative motion to some other part is known as the link. Joint is one type of a connection between two links between two different links. There are mainly three joints are available. Different type of first binary joint, second tertiary joint, and third is quaternary joint. First of all, enter the link. We entered it for link, and after that enter the number of spring. We have do not available any enter the link, so we that return a 0 spring, and after the total number of links showing 4. After the enter the number of binary joint, we have there 4 binary joint. After we need to enter the number of tertiary joint. There are 0 tertiary joint and also quarter joint is 0. After that we need to select the 4 equations. Select from the which is the equation given from the 4. First of all, first equation is degree of freedom equation. Second is the Kullbaer's equation. Third is the modified degree of freedom equation, also called a redundant degree of freedom equation, and fourth is Kullbaer's creation equation. We have selected first equation that called degree of freedom equation, and then after you have selected degree of freedom equation showing after our answer is degree of freedom is 1. That's showing. This Python program helps to find a very quickly and accurate calculation of a degree of freedom. That's it. Thank you from my side.